Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Teams on your phone, whether you're on iOS or Android. Let's get started. First, what is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a collaboration app that lets you chat with teammates, join video meetings, make calls, and share files, all in one place. To get started, download the Microsoft Teams app from the App Store if you're using an iPhone or from the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once it's installed, tap the app to open it. When the app opens, sign in using your Microsoft account, work email, or school account. After signing in, you'll land on the chat screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Let's go through them one by one. First is the Chat tab. This is where you can send messages to individuals or groups. Tap New Message to start a chat. You can also search for conversations at the top. At the top right corner, you'll see the Meet button. Tap it to meet now or join with a meeting ID. You can also use the filter option to view unread chats, meetings, or muted conversations. Next, tap on Communities. Here you can create or join communities. You can create your own community or choose categories like school, business, sports, or professional. Now tap on Calendar. This shows all your upcoming meetings. You can schedule a new meeting, create a community event, or tap Meet Now to start a call instantly. Next is the Activity tab. This shows notifications, mentions, replies, and updates so you never miss anything important. Now, tap on your profile picture at the top. This is where you manage your account settings. You can check your status, set a status message, manage notifications, open settings, switch accounts, or sign out. If you're in a meeting, you can turn your camera or microphone on or off, mute yourself, share your screen, and chat with participants, all directly from your phone. That's it. You now know how to use Microsoft Teams on your phone to chat, join meetings, and collaborate on the go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.